Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow student, I'm back again with Siti Najia with NIM 0501201121 PGSD Study Program at the Universitas Nahdlatul Ulama Cirebon. In this video, I will tell you about how is teaching English on children to fully the exam language level English semester 5 with lecture Mr. Habib Ali SPD MPD. Heavy listening. Listening skill assessment or test listening assessment, teacher can use variety of way to be able to carry out assessment or test of English listening skill of elementary school student. The purpose of this elementary or test is to see if the primary school student have achieved or not the target English listening skill competency. The form of assessment or test will enough to listening learning activities that have been carried out and can be done both in oral and written form. For example, listening in learning activities usually the teacher give a type of selective listening activities in the form of listening and repeat. So, student can be give an oral test repeating the word are such sentences that have been listening to before. The criteria given for this type of test can include fluency, pronunciation, accuracy, intonation, and spelling accuracy. The teacher can enter the children's score in the assessment rubric. Another form of listening skill test in the form of a written test that can be given to elementary school students is the cloze test, which is a test by filling in part of the text or short sentences with words from the material being listening to, or it can also be an information transfer test. For example, students are asking to choose a picture that matching the material being listening to and to on so on. Assessment or test of speaking skill or speaking assessment. English speaking skill learning activities in elementary school that are commonly carried out can be categorized into the activities: imitative speaking and intensive speaking. Assessment in the form of an oral test of English speaking skill in elementary school can be used through a rubric with four criteria, namely fluency, pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. The form of assessment in the form of imitative speaking skill test that can be carried out in elementary school, including reading aloud tests in which elementary school students are asked to read out words, short sentences, or short text that have been written on a piece of paper. This form of test can also be done by listening and repeating. Listening and repeat, namely by asking elementary school students to repeat the sentences spoken by the teacher. Another form of the test could also be answering the question posed with short answer or phrases consisting of several words. Meanwhile, the form of an incentive speaking skill that can be carried out with high grade elementary school students. For example, asking students to change positive sentences, affirmative sentences into question sentences in the form of yes or no question or WH question. Meanwhile, elementary school students with low grade can be given an incentive speaking skill test by asking students to describe an image of flashcard. For example, teacher draw picture of animal from animal flashcard which include 65 or 170 animal picture. For example, a cow, a lion, a tiger, and the other signs as the flashcard example below. And the asking student, what is this? What is this? For the more student can answer with the name of the animal in question. In education, to the example of assessment from for essays, English language skill, speaking assessment above. Of course, there are many other forms of speaking skill tests the teacher can create and develop that are adapted to the cognitive and English ability of elementary school students. The third, reading skill assessment or test. There are many forms of reading skill assessment or test that can be made and implemented in elementary school. Teacher can adapt this form of assessment or test of English reading skill to the learning activities and reading skill that have been carried out in class. In general, activities about English reading skill that are often carried out in elementary school are perfective, selective reading, and interactive reading. In prophetic reading, for example, the teacher can do a reading aloud test. In the test, students are asking to reading short sentences or short text or can also read text with picture writing in English. When students read, teacher conducts an assessment use a rubric with the criteria of pronunciation, punctuation, intonation, and accuracy of paying attention to the company of punctuation according to the rule in good and court English. While the form of selective reading test in elementary school can emphasize understanding of English vocabulary contained in English reading can be given in the form of multiple choice question cross the for high grade elementary school student, while for low grade student it can be give test in the form of matching image with test. Meanwhile, an in an interactive reading test can be given to elementary school students in the form of reading comprehensive, writing in English, reading comprehension. For example, students are asking to read a short text or a short story. A short story. After which students are asked to answer question about the context of the text or short with short answer. Another example, students are asked to read short sentences. After that, look for picture that can describe the meaning of her sentences and so on. For writing skill assessment or test or writing skill. English writing skill learning activities or writing skill which are general taught in elementary school are imitative, incentive, and responsive. The teacher can provide prerequisite of assessment. For example, in the form of writing tests that are adapted to the form of English writing learning activities that have been studied. For imitative writing activities in elementary school in lower grade, for example, the teacher can prove a prompt of and writing test size as routing or thinking English vocabularies which are equated with pictory like the following example. Oke, jadi di sini kita akan apa namanya contoh untuk kelas bawah, anak SD kelas bawah, kita bisa menyediakan gambar untuk bisa mereka gabungkan atau jodoh-jodohkan. Seperti telepon yang mana gambarnya jadi harus di garis-garis gitu. Untuk kelas atas, kita juga bisa membuat seperti ini. 11. Di sini ada gambarnya 11, lion, zebra, dan sebagainya. Mungkin video dari saya untuk kali ini dicukupkan sekian. Mohon maaf, banyak sekali vocabulary and grammar yang salah. Tetapi saya akan mencoba untuk terus berusaha untuk terus belajar agar saya bisa menjadi seorang guru yang mumpuni agar bisa membuat anak didik saya lebih bersemangat dan bisa lebih cerdas daripada saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.